Good morning, children. Let us start our today's class. So, I request all of you to please write down today's date in your copy, that is 5th of November. And what are the things we are going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn about different categorizing animals on the basis of their sizes. Okay, on the basis of their tails, on the basis of their movement, how they move from one place to another. On these basis, animal can be divided into various types. Okay, so let us start that. The first one, see here. Yeah, in this picture, children, you can see different animals. Some are very big. See this elephant, it is very big, while this one, a rat, it is very small. Okay, see, you can compare the size of these animals. Okay, and if I ask you, give you a question, arrange these animals according to their ascending height, ascending size. Ascending means small to big, descending means big to small. If I ask you to arrange these animals according to ascending size, according to their ascending size, so what you will do? Firstly, you will make that of a rat, first one, then it is a rabbit here, then third one will be a dog, fourth one will be a tiger, and the fifth one will be our elephant, isn't it? If question is arrange these animals according to their ascending size, and if I ask you descending size, means biggest animal to smallest animal. So which is the biggest here? Then it will become reverse. It will become first one will be elephant, second will be tiger, third will be dog, fourth will be rabbit, and fifth will be rat. Okay, this is the way we need to arrange them. Now let us move ahead and see this one. Okay, now coming to tails. Okay, see tails one, it is given in your textbook, page number 3. Yes, tails, different animals have different tails. Yes, some are having very small tails, some are having very big tails, some of them are having so many hairs in their tails, some of their tails, very less hair is there. Okay, so different, and some of the animals, they do not have tails at all. Okay, so see this picture. Let me show you a picture of these dogs. Okay, dog is only one animal, but different varieties of dogs are there. And in the dog only, children, if you see their tail, some are having this type of tail, some are having, see, so bushy furry tails. This, see the tail of this dog and this dog. Okay, different dogs have different types of tails. Like in case of these animals also, let me show you. Yeah, the first picture, see here a zebra. You can identify animals with their tail. If in exam question is there, different types of tails are given. Okay, and you need to match the animal with their tail. You can do that now. It's very easy. See the tail of zebra. See how tail of donkey is, and what about horse? You can see so many hairs are there in the tail of horse. So we can say that different animals have different types of tails. Okay, now let's move ahead and see few animals without tail. Yeah, see frog. Yeah, frog is there. Spider do not have tail. Then all the insect, not only spider, all the insect, be spider, bee, cockroach, and different insect, they do not have tail. Octopus is an animal, sea animal, which do not have tail. Starfish do not have tails, isn't it? So these are animals without tail. And if I ask you, name an animal on land which do not have tail, can you give me? Apart from that frog, which is an amphibian, can you tell me? Okay, children, we are also animal. Chimpanzee, gorilla, these are also animals which do not have tails. Okay, so these are few animals which do not have tails. Now let us move ahead and see. Let us see how animals can be divided on the basis of their movement. Some walk with their legs, some are having 2 legs like ours. Yes, we walk on 2 legs. Even gorillas and chimpanzees, they can walk on their 2 legs. Some animals are having 4 legs. Yeah, they walk on their 4 legs. Yes, many animals which you are seeing here in the picture, which is given in your book, textbook, page number 4. Okay, these animals, they are having 4 legs. They walk with their 4 legs. Yes, what about us? We walk on our 2 legs. And what about birds? What are their means of movement? Do they walk? Yeah, they can walk little bit. They are also having legs, isn't it? But their main source of movement, like how they are moving from one place to another with their wings. They are flying. Movement of bird, we call it flying. Yes, bird move from one place to another by flying. And what about this one? See this one. These animals, snakes, worms, earthworm or fishes, they do not have legs, they do not have wings, but then too they are moving. Okay, snake, the movement of snake is called crawling. Okay, snakes crawl. Earthworm also crawl. What about fish? Fishes swim. Okay, and how are they able to swim in water? With the help of their fins. They are having fins. Okay, with the help of their fins, these fishes move from one portion of river to another portion of rivers. Okay, so different types of animal move from one place to another with different body parts. We move through our legs, 2 legs. Animals move through their legs. Birds move from one place to another through their wings. Snakes, they do not have fins, they do not have wings, they do not have legs, but they crawl. Okay, the lower surface of snakes, they are having so many scales with the movement of muscles. Okay, their muscles are little bit movement is there in their muscles, which help snake to move from one place to another, and it is very fast. Earthworm, it also move from one place to another just because of the movement in their body, muscles movement is there. Okay, snakes, they are having snail, that what we call scales are there on the lower surface, while earthworm, they are very slow, they are crawling on the surface very slow. Okay, but they are able to move from one place to another. So this was a small topic there in your book. And if I ask you a question, think and name an animal which can move without their legs and wings. Can you give me answer? Just right now, a few minutes back, we had a discussion about that. Yes, children, correct. The answer here is, what is the answer? Answer is snake. Isn't it? S-N-A-K-E, snake. So, snake is an animal which can move without legs, without its wings. Okay, so this was our chapter. Now let us summarize what are the things we have learned. We have learned about different types of animals. Now we can categorize animal or arrange animal according to their size. We can do that, isn't it? We can arrange or differentiate animals as per their size, as per their tails, whether they are having tails, whether they are not having tails. We have learned about few animals which do not have tails, isn't it? And later we have learned how animals move from one place to another. Some with legs, some with wings, and some can move from one place to another without legs or wings. Isn't it? That was snake was there. Fishes are there. Earthworms are there. Okay, so with this, let us end our class, and now you move into Google Classroom and see a few questions, try to solve them. And in case you are having any problem, feel free to contact me. Bye bye, take care.